University events are supposed to be moments of joy. Graduations, football games, concerts, cultural festivals. But in today's world, the threat of violence, including tragic gun-related incidents, looms over even the safest campuses. Every parent, every student, and every faculty member wants one thing: safety. So how can we protect these gatherings without making them feel like prisons? Enter drones. Drones, once seen as hobby gadgets, are now at the forefront of public safety innovation. From military defense to search and rescue, they've proven their value. And today, they might just hold one of the keys to preventing shootings before they happen. In this video, we'll explore how drones can help detect threats early, guide law enforcement in real time, protect lives during emergencies, and even transform the way universities plan for safety at major events. Let's dive in. Sadly, gun violence on or near campuses has become a recurring nightmare. Traditional methods like security patrols, cameras, or metal detectors play a role, but these tools are limited. Cameras are fixed, security guards can't be everywhere, and response time often takes too long. During large events like homecoming games or graduations, tens of thousands of people may gather in one place. That means multiple entry points, massive crowds, and countless blind spots. Universities face a critical question. How do we monitor all of this without overwhelming students and staff with constant police presence? This is where drones step in. Unlike stationary cameras, drones can fly overhead, cover huge areas quickly, and be equipped with smart technology to identify suspicious activity in real time. Think of them as a mobile, flexible layer of protection. Eyes in the sky that move wherever danger may be. The first and most important role of drones is early threat detection. Imagine a large graduation ceremony. Thousands of families are arriving. The crowd is cheerful, but in the parking lot, someone is acting strangely. Loitering, pacing, carrying a long bag. A ground security officer might miss it. But a drone, equipped with high-resolution cameras and AI analytics, can spot suspicious behavior instantly. With zoom lenses, drones can identify whether a person is concealing a weapon. With thermal cameras, they can detect heat signatures in dark or hidden spaces, like wooded areas around the campus. Some drones can even integrate with acoustic gunshot detection systems. That means if a gunshot is fired, the system pinpoints the sound, launches a drone automatically, and sends live video of the shooter's location to security teams. Early detection means faster intervention. Seconds matter. A drone can help prevent a tragedy by alerting officers before shots are fired or within moments after. For example, in military and police use, drones have already been deployed to monitor high-risk events and detect potential threats faster than ground patrols ever could. Bringing this same technology to universities could save lives. Drones aren't just about catching threats. They can also stop them from happening in the first place. The visible presence of drones acts as a deterrent. If someone with bad intentions knows they are being watched not just by ground cameras but also from the air, the risk of being caught rises dramatically. During entry checks, drones hovering over gates can monitor crowd buildup, helping staff manage lines while discouraging suspicious individuals from attempting to sneak in. Some drones even come with loudspeakers. Imagine an emergency where panic breaks out. Security can use drones to give clear instructions. Stay calm. Move toward the east exit. That guidance can prevent chaos, trampling, and confusion during dangerous moments. In short, drones don't just watch, they interact. Their presence alone could be enough to discourage someone from carrying out violence. But what if the worst does happen? What if someone pulls out a weapon during an event? Here's where drones truly shine. Unlike ground patrols, which may struggle to locate the threat in a sea of people, drones can lock onto the suspect instantly. AI-powered tracking allows drones to follow a person's movements, whether they run into a parking garage, through a crowd, or across a field. This real-time tracking is invaluable for law enforcement. Instead of rushing blindly, police get live video feeds showing exactly where the suspect is and what they're carrying. That means faster, more precise interventions with less risk to bystanders. For example, if a shooter runs toward a science building, drones can alert officers while other drones scan for secondary threats or help guide students to safe exits. Every second counts in an active shooter scenario. Drones don't just buy time, they give clarity, And in chaotic moments, clarity saves lives. Drones also play a crucial role in protecting students during evacuations. Imagine a packed football stadium. A threat emerges and panic spreads. People don't know where to run. Confusion can cause injuries even if no shots are fired. Here, drones with loudspeakers or visual cues can guide the crowd calmly. Move slowly to the west gate. Avoid the main stairs. At the same time, overhead surveillance helps security identify bottlenecks, areas where people are stuck, and redirect the flow. This kind of aerial coordination isn't just theoretical. Police departments and emergency responders have already used drones to manage crowds during festivals and parades. Applying the same strategies at universities could prevent stampedes and chaos. Prevention doesn't just start when the event begins. Drones can secure the area hours or days before. They can scan rooftops for hidden objects, check wooded areas for suspicious activity, and monitor parking lots for unattended vehicles. At entry points, drones can support security teams by zooming in on crowds, ensuring no one bypasses checkpoints. In some advanced cases, drones can be integrated with facial recognition systems, where legally allowed, to spot known threats or individuals barred from campus. By securing the environment ahead of time, drones reduce the risk of incidents during the event itself. Even after an incident, drones remain valuable. Their recorded footage provides clear evidence for investigations, helping authorities understand exactly what happened. If chaos breaks out, drones can help locate missing or injured individuals faster than ground teams alone. They can even carry small medical supplies like tourniquets to victims before paramedics arrive. In short, drones don't just prevent violence, they help communities recover when tragedy strikes. Of course, drones aren't a perfect solution. Universities must balance safety with privacy. No one wants to feel like they're constantly under surveillance. Clear communication with students and staff is essential. People need to know drones are there for safety, not for spying on everyday activities. There are also legal and regulatory hurdles. Drone flights must follow aviation laws, and universities need trained operators who can act responsibly during emergencies. The goal is to make campuses safer without compromising the open, free spirit that makes them special. In the end, safety is about more than just technology. It's about trust. Parents need to know their children are protected. Students need to feel free to learn, celebrate, and dream without fear. Drones, when used responsibly, can be powerful allies in achieving that vision. From early threat detection to real-time tracking to guiding evacuations, drones give universities a new level of protection against the unthinkable. No technology can eliminate violence completely, but with drones, campuses can be one step ahead, saving precious lives and ensuring that university events remain moments of joy, not fear. This is the future of campus safety, and it's already taking flight. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into technology and public safety. What do you think about using drones on campuses? Are they a step towards safer universities, or do you worry about privacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, technology, when used wisely, can help us protect what matters most.